Menteri Ketenat Pule Puthi ke sorkar jela, Rakkam A Sangma hene kesngi ulaong baladan kam ban Pynbeit mardor ya ki kynram ki badan hak skulbah Nehu. Habakran bat kilat patai kubor menteri ongru baka sorkar pedeng kadai ban le ya kababahatam na kabenta ka jingbiang jong ki Samla Pule.
State government, I have also written personally to our Honorable Minister of Human Resources, Government of India, and so they are aware very much about the situation. So this is very unfortunate. The university, such campus. So these things shouldn't happen, and I don't know the issue. What is the issue really? It is, but we we have communicated. Our honorable chief minister has already communicated many times to the central government that this issue to be resolved at the earliest. So I think the Minister of Education, Government of India should decide accordingly what is the best to the at the interest of the students. So I don't know the report of the inquiry committee, but irrespective of the outcome of the inquiry committee, so any decision made by the Ministry of Education, Government of India should be do according to the sweetness of the environment of the state. Now, to me, I will not say away or in, but to me, the issue is the issue. So if option A is the solution for the issue, that should happen. If the option B is a solution to the issue, it should be go with option B and C, X, Y, Z, and all. So the issue of the matter is not A, B, C, C, X, Y, Z. The issue of the what is the issue? I think that solution we need now as of now. So therefore, this is very unfortunate, especially in the institutions, which the academic of the students is being lost for quite some time. So I feel very unfortunate, and so I also request the Government of India and the Ministry of Education to solve at the earliest for the interest of our students.